So what you see here is a very articulate wall that's been planned out where every single stud goes. And now you can start to see these divots here, these cutouts, these screws. This is all for assembly. So when a stud comes out, it is cut to length. It is pre-drilled, pre-divoted. The sill plates, the studs, all of the blocking, everything comes out in a kit. And so the tables here are for layout and square, but essentially they all snap in, divot to divot, screw to screw, and it's a very fast process. They follow the drawings, kind of comes out in a kit, and then it's just assembled here. And here's the Howick for doing other cold form steel. You can see the profiles. This started as just a roll of steel here. And the intricacy and the precision that's included is basically what you see all the way through Zmodular. It's all about precision, planning, housing as manufacturing. It's no longer just moving construction world into the factory. It is bringing the manufacturing industry into the housing world and hospitality world.